Batisi TV, lawan Rashipi daka Frank Yamaha, the Maxi Sports Scooter Arox 155. Ringkat bakanet foodish, ordar mapi, nginwan ramani, hakir dobyeng jompi.
Sisngi hadian buba Kimfa as Marbaniang ula resign no nak jinglong MLA jong Rambrai Jerngam constituency. Hadian bula job nak tiket jong seng Congress House Nam Araja Khatpra. Haka artandai tring uno opera Arajar Arfuar. Ringkat lang bagi Nongbud uba Kimfa ula penyeso eladi syaka National People's Party haka jingalang kebelalong hasnong Rambrai. Ya uba Kimfa la priang sobha do National President ke NPP u Conrad ke sangma haringkat ke jingsak hilang jong National Vice President uba Prestun Tensong ke MLA ke NPP ke bekentup uba senyau bahalang dahar uba Macmillan Bersat bat kiwe-kiwe.
Di mapiu ba uba pipa yang benong ba habang awan berkili suti syanong ini alat pi barok biong siya kayi jom ke NPP kani kasi kelawan begini room begini trash tom ba nakajong kapor kadai ke jing jingai jom kini kirang bang kibai syong hadin junga jing jingai jom ki habang ini pun kerpat ki kam ki prepare ki sngap ki shashkor ba kumjoro ki pendap ya ka kam ke ba kila kula kumbang akula ri ki pai ba ki kila pendap ngiru kila pendap ba phiru pha pendap te pai ba baro ngai ke ji play pi wei ba ta ka ji komen ha ka ngasi ngine rum sha ka ni kayeng ba ta ka jing komen ba ngine trish tom naman ba kani konstitusi bagin poi sha ka thong
Nur, jogi paiba, jogi retain kadang kejungi, jogi Rambrai Jerngam Assembly Konstitusi, kabar wanan perius no ban di Madagaskar, pakai Pdiang kabakam kepang, kalai cai bakim fasil di Marbaniang. Panadu mentaka klimat, iradei, ikhot ibapura, jogi parti NPP. Batai nong, ikani de, ibani le election, akhirnya Abdullai, naga parti NPP kejungi. Ngidon kadau kabakrao Madagaskar. Banyak kenduk di paiba, joka Rambrai Jerngam Assembly Konstitusi. No kikam, no krisal, joka parti NPP. Kaji gulai ke kam kepang kalai citi. Bila you pakan ngem, babalai ke penlong yo pak Kimfa. Paunuan menperius no kagari ke parti. Paiba hapan pakat hai kagari ke bentar. Kakti nongwei hiong ba ulah sacrifice. Ulah len lade. Ula IT lade, na bentar jong lo. Kai chu ya kan lo gadau, anam kai chu jadi setai, na gadau ba jong pipai ba, ubak Kimfa ulen ya lade. IT ya lade, na ka bentar ba pipai ba tidak jeng mentai. Kata gari ka thong, ka ba kamadu. Ngamur balong. Kai jing len lade, kai jing IT lut, jong ba Kimfa, tang hapok ikindiat penai, yo arti di blok. Rambrai Community and Rural Development Block Baka Pdiang Community and Rural Development Block Nagadau jomlo Nagadau pai ba Kimfa ilen lade IT lade ban lakin upai ba ban yo jimutoi pai ba ban roi ban pa ka Rambrai Jerngam Assembly Konstitusi jingi wat nom artatien lara arja ka pra pitrei 100% mentap 34%. Lalu sama dengan prapi 34%, 34% mentap ban penjob dan buram. Ya Pak Kimfa es Marbaniang akan di election ke ban-ban Haslam Arja Akulai.
Nga ong ya pi ba pi day ubriu basta. Baleng ong pi ubriu basta madai ka bor jong pi ka ba pulong bau ba Kimfa unwan manjon ha ka parti ke jongi. Balai ulet John ya ka parti ke jongi day ba pio di jingai ma pi kum ki nong galam kum ki khon sama kum ki rangba kum ki long kebe ba pi idot kam ya ka parti NPP hapok ke jingalam jong uba Conrad sama pilayo i ya ki jingkel ku ki batut hakane ke jaka bat kumjuru hakeleng saudong jong ke jelam di kana jongi tenaka kadau ka pelong ya kipat ba jong ke megala ba menta ke genti kinwan ya kaban kersan ya tapati NBP tongin ya kitbok ke liwang lang ha unius nem arhajar alpulai hakasngi banyubur na next camp bangin num dunaya kalai pulai lai pusau sit ngim don kamsyu ban sim yano leitang ka parti marwe nginyo kan sensyar bat ban pendelun yaki salenten jong karoi kapar hapo ka konstitusi jong pi bat kumju uru haga jelam iklajuni barok kawe ngau bahawat snutuk baklaru nama ti kandidat ti parti ti baper mentah ka bagi kedau ti kolom bet ya ka NPP ti dom ti serai ti snosi banyo i ba ikom amprin banyo i ba lang banyo i ya ba kimfa bagi wan join sya ka parti NPP balai namar bagi ba bun ba ki parti ki ba kro ya ki bagi join sya ka parti ke joki henrei kini ki perlu laimut haka ba khandu ki ay karai banjoin sa ka parti NPP kumta kindon ki babun ba ki baran pensutu bakla yo i ko kotwor don ki khnari agyong batruwa ka NPP sanklur si pauklur hana na kabentaban waliyang election kata de kania ki khnari ka bangim don por banyasat ngimdon por banyat tainya namar ubreu iman long tik kumutu bengi ong mursian uba habuyo i yusok krin jingkwa bam kabala tenle keskenti hano ngio haba khadu upertai jipat ba jamu ko wat yalek sajan itu ding sok krin namaru bajeu bekhang di beklak tiak lakan kelalendang ko bele ye bisia jago.
I take this opportunity on behalf of the National People's Party to warmly and very proudly welcome Kimfa S. Marbaniang and all his leaders, all his supporters and all his family members to the family of the National People's Party. This is indeed a very, very happy moment for all of us, where for a very long time we have been discussing with Kimfa and with Babanjob and the other leaders of the party about this very day when Kimfa and his followers and his leaders and entire family would be joining the National People's Party. So on behalf of the National People's Party and being the president at the national level, I warmly once again welcome Kimfa Marbaniang to the National People's Party. Let us give him a round of applause. To once again thank and welcome our other leaders who have joined the National People's Party in the recent past. And not only in the recent past and today, in these next coming weeks, many, many more leaders will be joining the National People's Party, especially from the Khasi Hills region of our state. A large number of MLAs will also be joining from other political parties in Garo Hills region also. And we will also see that in Jayante Hills region also, many, many leaders today, past MLAs, leaders at different levels, have today joined the National People's Party. And this trend that we are seeing of the National People's Party becoming a strength and a strong force to reckon with is happening because of the different kind of work, development work, political work, social work that the National People's Party has been able to do as the party that is leading this government to bring a change in the state of Meghalaya. Today, people have a trust and people have a faith and people have a belief that if there is any political party that can take the state of Meghalaya forward, then it is the National People's Party. And it is this faith and this belief because of which today many leaders are joining. And maybe after 50 years of our statehood, we are finally seeing a scenario where we are seeing the different regions of our state, the different communities of our state, the different tribes of our state are finally today coming together under the banner of the National People's Party. We have not seen this kind of unity and this kind of brotherhood that is there, that is coming out from different regions of the state. Irrespective of which community or which tribe we are from, people are today joining the National People's Party because they see and they have a sense of confidence that it is this political party that will take our state forward. And that is why today we are very happy to see Kimfa Marbaniang and all his leaders today join the National People's Party. And let me assure you that as a political party, it will be our endeavor to ensure that we continue to grow. It will be our endeavor to ensure that in this coming 2023 elections, the National People's Party should come out with a full mandate and full majority government in 2023 election, which I am sure that we will come out with a majority government and get full mandate in the 2023 election.